me try to explain what I'm doing here. This is 5 30-shot groups that have all been shot at 50 yards. Each group was shot with a different lot of OK rifle match. I did not want to shoot out my aim point, so I raised my scope 5/10 and left 1/10. I started with the center target. I have videos on each of these groups. My intention was to see what are we really learning from lot testing. I'm becoming suspicious that lot testing is a waste of time. One of the things I was looking for was how does lot number affect point of impact. After shooting the first group, I drew a 1-inch circle around the area where I anticipated my shots would hit on the next target. On this second target, I only moved my scope up 1 and left 1. I quickly realized what I had done, but I went ahead and shot the 30-shot group, and then I moved my scope up another 4 so it would match the first target. I shot 15 more to check point of impact and see how that compared to the first target. I'm going to increase these to 50-shot groups, and I'm thinking they'll look even more similar at that point, but I guess we'll see. If you're interested in the rifle I'm shooting, I have a couple of videos specifically about it, but it's a CZ457 that I put together.